Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use screen share from Android phone on your LG TV. First of all, on your home screen, navigate to the Home Hub tile. Then in Home Hub you're gonna have to find and select Google Cast feature right here. Then here you'll see the screen where you will have to accept Google Casting on your TV. So just select accept, and then once you see this screen, that means that you are ready. But if you weren't able to, if you didn't see any screen before that, if you weren't able to open this menu, then that probably means that your TV is connected to the 5 GHz network, and it simply doesn't support screen sharing via 5 GHz networks. And in such case, you're just gonna have to go to the settings menu or just quick settings menu. In quick settings menu, navigate to the Wi-Fi icon, and then select Wi-Fi connection, and make sure that you changed the band of your network from 5G to the regular 2.4 GHz version. And if you've done that, then also make sure to do that on your mobile device. Once you do that, and once both your devices, both your Android smartphone or tablet and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network with 2.4 GHz band, you're gonna have to unlock your smartphone, and on your smartphone, simply swipe down the control center and find the sharing icon, which usually looks like this, like rectangular with the Wi-Fi icon inside. And if you don't see it here, tap the pencil icon and find your sharing screen sharing feature or casting feature in the available in the connectivity menu, or in any other menu if you're using basically a different Android smartphone. So just find this tile, add it to your quick settings menu, and after that tap on it, and your smartphone will start scanning for available devices. As you can see, it can already see my LG TV. So let's tap on it, and now we can choose whether we want to cast just one application. If we proceed, we're going to have to select the application that we want to cast, and if you want to cast the entire screen, then instead of selecting cast one application, expand this list and select cast entire screen, then select cast screen, and in a couple of seconds our screen will begin to cast to our TV. Okay, so the casting is enabled. And so right now we are casting our phone screen. And if you swipe down the control center and tap on this icon once again and select disconnect, then you will be disconnected from your smartphone. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.